Welcome back to the channel, and today I got some decals for the Trans Am. They're just letter inserts. I guess they're not decals, they're letter inserts that go on the back bumper here where it says Pontiac. So instead of this being blended in the same color, they're going to be black. They're going to go right in. So, here. They just come like this. They have this red adhesive backing. I've already prepped the surface with alcohol wipes that came with it. These red.
Need to take the word off too.
These red pieces here. Just peel off like that. You really got to get at them with your nail. And you go in here. Make sure you press it in there real good.
Now you gotta take that weight off.
And now you got to take the white off, which you just kind of got to get at with your nail.
Might be good to do it before.
Just like that. Peels right off. It's a little bit off on the letter, but that's okay. These are all custom made. And then the O, you got the O up here. And this red adhesive. I just touched the P with my finger a little bit and it's pretty sticky, so I wouldn't necessarily worry about these coming off. Also, I'd probably make sure that you don't do this on like a hot surface or anything like that. If the surface is really hot, it could change the outcome. I kind of got at this one a little bit. See there? Be careful when you peel the red off because it could mess up. Then you just apply.
You're in it.
There's the O.
Did you ever clean that one?
Yeah, I cleaned it. I got the N too. And the N. And peel the white off. And this, see, this is the actual facing. Red on the back. And we'll check back when we're done.
What do we got left?
Just got one more. Make sure if you do this and don't have fingernails, highly suggest a razor blade. Okay, here we go, final one. Just make sure you really press on there. It's kind of a one-time deal. There you have it. Looks a lot better than stock. So, when you're out in the hot, car sits out in the hot sun all day, it's really hard on the paint. And I bought this stuff on Amazon, Shine Armor. It's a ceramic spray. Usually I've been using it a little bit, just kind of spritz it wherever, just wipe it off. Really gives it a good shine and smells good too. Smells like purple medicine stuff. Smells really good. See that shine? Let me tell the difference. I don't know if the camera really does it justice, but I did this top wing here. Got a real good mirror shine to it. The arch up here, I've noticed, is really taking a beating from the sun. and it's starting to bubble, especially up here on the top.
Right there.
And this will help prevent that. It's not as good as like a full ceramic coat, but it helps. There's some water spots in there, but definitely is an improvement. Another hot summer essential thing to have for car care is a car cover. And this here is a Rain-X car cover. I don't think it's it's not an all season or anything by any means, but it's just an XL car cover. It's a little bit big for this car, but it gets the job done. Pretty easy for one person to put it on. It's not waterproof. One thing I've noticed, it's not waterproof by any means, but it still keeps it out of the elements. I've had it for about 3 weeks. You can kind of tell there's some sun fade in it. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but so far so good, and I enjoy it. All you got to do, if you do get one of these, it has a buckle on each side. This is the short end. This is the longer end, and I just kind of, you can do this one-man show, throw it right under there like that. Come under here, and look at that, it reaches, clips right in, just like that. We've had some pretty strong thunderstorms and high winds here, so haven't had it blown off yet, but that could probably be a little bit more secure. But it's a great car cover. There's a lot of people out there that spend like $200 on the SLP car cover for these, which are a direct fit, and there's no clips or anything to it, and it just is a form fitting. I'm not about to spend $200 on a car cover, but yeah, this gets the job done. But during the day when I'm at work, it has to sit out in the sun. It's a little bit hard on it, but I don't really want to lug this thing around and do this at lunch and when I get there and whatnot. So another thing I would advise to get is a sunscreen visor. You can get them at Walmart for like 10 bucks. They're really good to preserve the dash. These cars dash cracks all the time, so keeping it as low temp as you can in the cockpit is definitely better than letting the sun get to it. That usually keeps it about 20-30 degrees cooler, so I'd highly recommend that as well. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.